Welcome to our channel. We're Marcus and Patrizia, and in 2023 we decided to take time off to travel full-time for 3 months. From the bustling streets of Asia to the vibrant landscapes of South America, join us on this incredible journey as we discover the world and capture these moments to share with you. As our passion for travel continues, you will always find us somewhere on the map. Good morning, we are here in Buenos Aires. We arrived last night and checked into our Airbnb. We're actually both still feeling a little bit under the weather, and we're here in Buenos Aires for 5 nights, off starting with breakfast, and then we're just gonna go and see what the city has to offer. Really excited to be here in Argentina, try some empanadas and see some landmarks. Yeah, we'll take you with us for breakfast. We're now at this bookshop. Yeah. It's like been converted. The coolest bookshop I've ever seen. And they have like little balconies where you can sit and read. Used to be like the VIP sections of the theatre. So cool. We're motivated to buy a book and read, but it's a really nice, like, cozy, chill city. So far, so cool.
So my flu is getting better. I've had a coffee, and this is sort of the perfect place to recover a city break in Buenos Aires. One interesting thing we learned about this space, you can call it a theatre, a bookshop, is that it used to be used for multiple different purposes since the early 1900s. There was tango dancing and even a cinema at some point. But as we got closer to the 21st century, what happened was a lot of people, instead of hanging out here, they would go to malls and shopping centres, and there was less business here. So they thought, instead of abandoning this like piece of art, they thought they'd convert it into a bookstore and keep people coming in, which is a really cool thing, because it would be really sad if they abandoned it. And now what used to be the stage is just a cafe that they turned it into, and people just enjoy a book, eat and read.
It's so cool. They have like all the sections. They have an English section, which I said about before, which I'm gonna go and pay a visit to now and see if I can find anything.
So we've just been in the National Art Museum, and what's cool about it is that it's free. There were some cool pieces also from like Rembrandt, Van Gogh, Rothko.
Cool to see some art pieces.
Definitely.
Recommend coming here. And the area is really nice. There's lots of parks, lots of people running, just having picnics.
Next we'll probably head to the National Library and get some Wi-Fi and see what to do from there.
This is for sure another one of those libraries that I've never seen before.
Right.
The actual building is very interesting.
Almost looks like a bunker.
Yeah. Let's go and see inside. There's a queue for it. But honestly, we came for the Wi-Fi, so we'll see if we can get it outside. So yesterday we ended the day coming back and having some sushi and staying in, and now it's the next day. I made some breakfast earlier. I made avocado toast because we went grocery shopping, and we have a kitchen here at the apartment, so that worked out very well. And now we're going to one of like the landmarks or the monuments in Argentina, in Buenos Aires. We're going to a place called Obelisco, which represents the 400th year anniversary of Buenos Aires. And I think it's more in like a central bit, so we'll see that as well. Waiting for an Uber. We're here, we made it. It's actually really big. I didn't expect it to be that big.
Yeah, it's pretty grand. It's even got little cameras at the top.
Doesn't fit in this screen, but I'll take some nice footage of it for you. And what a cool area.
I think this is the main square, because not only do you have that there, on that side you have BA, it's for Buenos Aires, and you have the Argentinian flag. It's a really nice spot in the center.
Yeah, and you've got all the like main spots, McDonald's, KFC, everything around you. it definitely looks like the main spot. There's actually a queue for photos, which is kind of good. It makes like a system so you don't spend too long and it doesn't get overcrowded.
We would have loved to have that for Christ Redeemer.
Yes, so we're queuing up to take some photos. So we got 2 empanadas from the space to try out. Empanadas are very popular here in Argentina. So they were both 290 Argentinian pesos. Onion and cheese one.
Is that good? Nice.
Yeah, that's quite nice. Pretty good.
So this is the chicken and cheese empanada. Fresh, warm. It's quite a bargain.
Perfect snack.
It's perfect for lunch.
After the empanadas, we visited the Recoleta Cemetery, one of the most unique places in Buenos Aires. Some of our footage got corrupted, but luckily, we recovered some great shots. This cemetery is unlike any other, with over 6,400 elaborate mausoleums, statues and crypts, some even more expensive than a house in the city. The architecture is just as fascinating. You might see a mausoleum that looks like an entrance to a grand bank, while another just looks nothing more than a simple wooden shack. Many of Argentina's most famous figures rest here, including presidents, Nobel Prize winners, writers, artists, and even ordinary people. One of the most intriguing graves is that of Liliana, a young woman who tragically died in an avalanche with her dog while on her honeymoon. Her statue stands next to her beloved dog, and visitors rub the dog's nose for good luck. Now that we had finished with our cemetery tour, we couldn't leave Argentina without trying their steak. So, we visited a popular restaurant called La Cabrera to nicely end the evening on a delicious note.
Is it good?
Blue cheese with, I think, gooseberry jam. Really good. People do say once you go to Argentina, you have to try their steak. And we're in the perfect place to try it, Buenos Aires. It's really good.
Yeah?
So we ordered, was it tenderloin or whatever as you call it? And it's really nice. We got a medium rare, and that's how we like it. And it's not chewy at all, that's what I like about the steak.
Yeah, that's usually the best. That's why fillet steak is known to be very good.
Full of flavour,
Yes.
full of flavour. So our time in Buenos Aires has now come to an end. We've really enjoyed it, and it definitely holds the title of being the Paris of South America. Next up, we're going to have a short stop in Santiago in Chile, and we'll see you there.